Hello guys, this video is to tell you that we made a very nice app for dental students and for dentists. This is the app of the YouTube channel Understanding Dentistry. It's free to download and start using, and what it does is very simple. It basically helps you organizing your studies and tracking the progress of your studies. You can practice questions here, and these questions are original, AI generated from expert prompts and inspired in the most important dental board examinations that you can find. Also, a very large bank of questions organized by topic, and these questions can also be translated to several languages so that you can study in your language even if you are preparing yourself for one of the dental board examinations, which are in English, of course. This app has also two very nice features which are good for dentists and dental students. The first one are clinical tips. They are random AI generated, but this AI generation is already filtered from the most important scientific articles in the literature. And the second one is a dental literature search that you can do to ask your questions, to do your searches, but here, instead of a normal AI chat, this chat is already filtered to be based on science, on the most important peer-reviewed articles and journals available in the literature. So basically, we have a dental AI chat, which is something that you should always have in your dental clinic. The app also lists all the tutorials and lectures of the several topics in dentistry to help you studying and preparing yourself to answer the questions. Try it, give your feedback, hit your like button if you like, and see you guys very soon.